we got this situation to handle. Let f defined from r minus 0 and 1 to r be a function such that this. Then f2 is equal to, okay. So these guys are asking you to find out the value of f2, okay. So we in class 9th we guys have solved these kind of situations in the chapter named polynomial. Over there they used to give us the polynomial p of x, and then they used to ask us to find out the value of p of x at x equals to 2. So it is similar kind of situation. In this situation these guys are interested in finding f of 2. So like, just go with the flow. You know that you have to replace x with 2, and just replace x with 2 and let's see what happens next. So we will have f2 plus f of 1 by 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So f of minus 1 equals to 3. Okay. So if you will observe this situation now, you guys can say that, sir, I can answer you the value of f2 if you will tell me the value of f of minus 1. Okay. But do you really think that I will tell you the value of f2, f of minus 1? Never. So how will you respond? You will now try to find out f of minus 1. So how will you do that? Just replace x with minus 1 in the given equation and let's see what happens next. So we got f of minus 1 plus f of 1 by 2 है ना, 1 minus minus 1 will become 1 by 2 equals 0. Is that okay? So we got this thing. So earlier we guys are having problem with f of minus 1. Now let's replace that minus 1 with this. So we got f of 2 minus of f of 1 by 2 and it is equal to 3. So we got this situation. Now earlier you guys are having problem with f of minus 1. Now look at this. This time you guys are having problem with f of 1 by 2. So how will you respond? Just go and calculate f of 1 by 2 by replacing x with 1 by 2. So we got f of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 2 will become 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but f of 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now, so look at this situation. You guys are having problem with f of 1 by 2. So what do you think? If we will add these two clouds, don't you think we will be left with only f of 2? So we got 2 times f of 2 is equal to 6 plus 3, 9 by 2. So we got value of f2 as 9 by 4. I hope you got the idea that we have to rely on our intuitions and things will keep on going in correct direction. Okay.